There is a very interesting application of the quadratic formula, estimating the square root of a number by dividing two other numbers. The solutions of the quadratic equation x squared minus 6x minus 1 equals 0 can be approximated, because the quadratic equation is equivalent to x equals 6 plus 1x. This has solutions given by the infinite continued fraction. We can easily show that the sequence of numbers 6 plus 1 over 6, 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6, etc. gives better and better approximations to one of the solutions of the quadratic equation. The interesting part is that we can use this approach to calculate the square root of 40. Let me explain. We can approximate the positive solution using the approximation written as a fraction. Stop the video here and see whether you can write that calculation as a fraction. Right, 6 plus 1 over 6 is 37 over 6. We turn the fraction upside down, so the reciprocal is 6 over 37. We add 6. The reciprocal is 37 over 228 plus 6. The reciprocal is 228 over 1405. Finally, we add 6 again. 6 times 1405 plus 228 is 8,658. We can approximate the positive solution dividing 8,658 by 1,405. Multiplying by 2 and subtracting 6, we end up with the fraction 8,886 over 1,405. The square root of 40 can be approximated dividing those numbers. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates. Leave your comments and give us a thumbs up so that other people can benefit from these videos.